Okay, so apparently on iPhone, I actually can turn the camera around and do some fun stuff. Let's see how this goes. So, a little bit of revision today, just kind of about whole numbers and decimals. So, we just kind of just go over again the whole numbers, say 326. And so you remember that the 6 is in our ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and then if we have more, thousands column. And what that essentially means is that every time you move to the left, you're timesing by 10. Is 10 times bigger. So another way of writing this number, or what this number essentially is telling us, is 6 in the ones column. So we've got 6 plus, there's 2 in the tens column, 20. The 3 in the hundreds column. And there's a 1 in the thousands column, right? So it's actually telling us is it's 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. And if you add those all together, you'll find it's 1,326. So let's look at with whole numbers. And then if we're going down to adding parts of numbers or fractions, that's when we add the decimal points. So if you think about in our whole numbers, every time we moved to the left, we were timesing by 10. Whenever we move to the right, we're dividing by 10. So if we're moving one step to the right across the decimal point, we're dividing the ones column by 10. And so if you divide 1 by 10, pop that into calculator, you get 0.1. Okay? And if we're going to have another decimal point to the right, we're going to divide that by 10. So that would act, so a tenth divided by 10, put that into your calculator, we end up in hundreds, or 0.01. Okay, so decimal points, so ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, ones column, decimal point, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so again, just like we did our number up here, adding them together, say if we had the number like 20.34. So there's 2 in the tens column, 20. Nothing in the ones column. In the tenths column, we've got 3 tenths. And in the hundreds column, 4 hundreds. Work those out as decimals. So we got 20 plus 0.3 plus 0.04. Add those all together in your calculator, 20.34. And to be fair, that actually was a little bit difficult because I have to hold down the record button the whole time. But I do now have some effects from my iPhone. But anyway, so yay! Just review of tenths, hundred thousandths, where the decimal point sits. And you're actually kind of lucky because I did find a rapping mathematician on YouTube who sings a song about decimal points. And I have not made you watch it because, to be fair, it is terrible.